Alright guys, this is us coming down our driveway. We just have turned out. Right there, you can see that right there is coming off from our house.
Ditch right there.
But it's 2 or 3 places like that down through here, and it's overwhelmed our road.
This right here is flooded.
And that's what causes this.
I can't believe this is held together.
Yeah.
One of our neighbors actually done this, and my dad helped him, and my grandpa.
Yeah, this right here's look pretty good. See right here, and guys, this right here is a driveway that it don't take water very well, because you can see right here. That's the driveway.
Yes. It's all this rain is making ditches in the road. So if you see this bump,
Called washing.
Oh,
See how this
Lord.
is?
So it's pretty bad. Look up there. Good Lord.
Guys, these people right here, I feel sorry for them. No, the pond is over. The pond is over the road and coming out now. Guys, that is that pond I just showed you.
The water is beating. Oh Lord, look at them things. Guardrails.
That pond has now overflowed. It's over its embankment. Earlier it was.
It's raining still. I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera back and
Where's your wiper?
Okay, this thing is fully like
submerged. Oh my gosh.
Right here is more. Guys, this right here is more remnants of the pond that's overflowing.
Watch out now.
And the creek itself is over the road down here at the bottom. We have a small creek at the bottom of our road.
Oh, look at this.
It is over at my parents'.
Look at that.
Not so much here
Oh my
yet.
God!
oh my Lord!
Oh my God! The camera, Daniel. Look at this over here. Look, guys. Holy moly! I've never seen that thing like that.
They're not zooming. Come on, let's zoom in.
Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Look at that!
Oh my gosh. Look at no wall.
Oh my Lord!
Watch out for this in the road.
Guys, you can see the creek. And this creek here is a very, very small creek.
Look at her. Oh my God.
The creek is every bit out into the road right here.
Why don't we go tubing?
Whoa! What's down here?
Holy moly. Boys,
See,
oh
they got a waterfall coming down their driveway right
boys,
now.
get the dirt bike, get the four-wheeler.
Now the creek's going to turn into the road right here. We are actually driving through the creek. And the road right here. This is the creek at Franklintown.
Wow. Wow.
Now when we start back up, Eli and Aiden's gonna have all the footage on their side where I had trying to drive one-handed down through here.
It's like we're a boat.
Look at this down in here.
Whoa, dude.
I got some good footage.
Dude.
It ain't that much on the road now, but
Now right here you get kind of away from the creek. That's what we were talking about. It's getting kind of dark. We got to kind of late jump at this.
what's in that? What's running around on there? You see it? Next to that dam. Or like whatever it
I see something floating down the.
is. It looks like it was moving.
Yeah, it's floating, but.
It looks like it was moving towards the dam.
But guys, yeah, this right here is what we were talking about. There is no river. There is no creek that comes
It
through
looks
that
exactly
field.
like a river. It looks exactly like Toe River.
That right there is just where a pond has overflowed. And
You know what I think?
but guys, we're going to get back up here where the creek made a new creek across the road. Now we're about to get back to where the creek. It's just abandoned where it usually went and made its own new way across the road.
Yep. Hey guys, we're here.
Look at it. We kind of hit that quicker than we wanted to. Under the road right here. It's supposed to go under the road. But,
That didn't happen.
but the creek no longer comes through there.
We got like a beach or something here. Look at that. Look, guys.
Comes over that guy. Alright guys, I know you can't be able to see us. We've let dark catch up with us. We were out checking the flood damage, but we got a late start because basically we were at home until the power went out. And then we figured we'd go find a generator down at my mom and dad's. So, but guys, until next time,
No matter where you're at.
No matter what you're doing.
if you have to be out, be careful. Take your time. Be safe. And pray for these that's in the lines of these storms. Because they need your prayers, guys. And get out.